so you broke it. So you did it in threes.
Yes.
Cool. Keep going.
I added it by every number, not by every pair. Like that. So I did this pair. It was 9 plus 63.
What's 9 plus 63, guys?
72.
72. Good.
Minus 54. 28. Plus 45. 73.
Okay.
And minus 36.
Good job, Sebastian.
36 plus 27.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 18.
45.
45 plus 9. So I got 54.
You got 54 as your answer. Yes. No. But I'm glad, like, I like the way she thought about it. Like, I like the way she paired those instead of just kind of like going straight across. She paired them, and I like that. Thank you.
Did she like count it up like first you add and subtract and add? Can I show her?
Is it different than this way? Yeah. Okay, you can come up, and then you can come up, and then I want to see if nobody's gotten the way I came up with yet. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. But it's okay. Ricky Gray came up with a really interesting way yesterday. See if any of you guys have gotten it yet. No, he didn't do it backwards. I'll show you guys at the end. I'll show you 2 ways if we don't get them. Okay. So we're going to look at their 2 ways, and then I'll show you 2 more ways, and then we're going to do a reflection. The answer, by the way, was 45 to the problem. The answer is 45. Good? So a lot of you guys knew instantly that you could make pairs. And what did you get when you made the pairs? Angela, what happens when I do 81 minus 72? Yeah, it equals 9. Right? Is it positive 9 or negative 9?
Don't tell me she loved me.
Oh, then think of another way. You said you had like 4? Joy.
It's kind of like the same thing you wrote out this one.
Yeah, you guys all kind of did really similar things, and that's interesting because in my other blocks, everyone kind of took it their own way.
Yep, she took it.
She did? Okay, then I will show you another.
I think I can do it backwards.
You can do it backwards? I might give you guys 2 more minutes to try and do this again.
I don't know if it'll come out as the same answer. Anyway, I can try backwards.
Well, now that we know what the answer should be. Can someone let Elijah in? Thank you.
Oh no.
No? Okay. You're fine, yeah, that's fine. Minus.
messed up.
I don't think you messed up. Your math is right. Your math is right.
That was right, Jim.
So what I want everyone else to do while Jay is putting her answer on the board, I want you guys to take 2 more minutes and see if you can solve it again. Take 2 more minutes and see if you can solve it one more way. That is another way. Do you want to go up or you just want to say it? Okay, cool. So everyone should be taking 2 more minutes and seeing if they can solve it one more way. That is the 7th way that I've seen. What is it minus? What is it plus 27?
I did it wrong. I don't know what it is.
Can I do it?
Do you want Joy to help you?
Sure.
Okay, Joy, you can come up and help her. Everyone else should be trying to figure out one more way.
I know what it is.
Well, that was 18. We 63. 27. 54.
Yeah. So you just kind of you just add it straight across, right? That's how I solved it. That is the first way I solved it.
That's enough.
There you go, nice job. Okay, so Z is actually going to share her way. Z, do you just want to say it? Okay, can you say it nice and loud for everybody though?
The median is 45.
So she just figured out by looking at the median. Do we remember what a median is? Right in the middle, right? That is a way somebody came up with last block and I had never even thought of that. Okay, should you have another way?
Yeah.
You want to tell us? What is it?
Like, if you go backwards and, like, you do negative 18 plus 9, negative 36 plus 27, negative 54 plus
Mhm.
45.
Yeah.
And, like, you just keep doing that, and then you add 81, because for all of the,
So what you're saying to me is that if I combine these two, I get what?
negative 9,
Okay, good. And what about these two?
negative 9, negative 9, negative 9, and then you have positive 81, and all the 4 9s together are negative 36, and if you add negative 36 plus 81, you get 45.
That's also another way. So that makes 8 ways, I think, I've seen. Another way that I was really surprised that none of you guys did, and maybe you did, you just didn't want to share. Melanie?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
I did that, like all the numbers that are getting added, I added all of those together, and then the numbers that are getting subtracted, then I subtracted that from the whole number of the numbers that are added, and then that's how I got the answer.
So what she did was she took all of her positive numbers and added them, and then she took all of her negative numbers and combined those. Did anybody else do it that way? Very good. Austin, what was the sum of all the positive numbers?
225.
225. And what was the sum of all the negative numbers?
180.
Was it positive or negative?
Positive.
Was positive? Okay, but remember if they all have a negative? What did we learn earlier?
That was amazing.
That's a negative. Very good. Nice job. So what is this? What's that? Mr. Kears, what is that? 45. And then Aaron came up with the way that I solved it the first time. I'm going to show you right now. 81. What's 81 plus 9, guys? Melanie, what's 81 plus 9?
Huh?
What's 81 plus 9?
Oh, 89.
Oh, there's some like 90.
I'm too tired for this.
You're too tired for this. Oh gosh, band. Band is making you tired? What's negative 72 minus 18? Negative 72 minus 18. Miss Wilson.
Where'd you get those numbers from?
Because you take the sign in front. What's negative 72 minus 18?
Negative 90.
Negative 9. Because if I'm at, well, I don't have a number line that's at 72. But remember what it said. If we have the same sign, we add and then we keep the sign. So 72 plus 18 is? And then they both have a negative sign, so it's?
Positive. I don't know. Negative 180.
I don't know.
So if you have two then you take their sign.
I said negative 1.
Negative 90.
You didn't, if you gotta add them.
Oh, so it keeps going that way. It's just like positive 90, negative 90.
Positive 90, negative 90, and then what number's left right in the middle?
45.
Because what happens to 90 minus 90?
45.
90 minus 90 is what?
Zero.
0. So if that happens to this 45 and 27 again, or the 63 and 27, that gives us another 90. And then we get a negative 90 right here.
Oh my
How's
god.
that negative?
Because negative 54 minus 36.
So was one of my ratios.
Okay, so does anybody, so what did you guys get out of this, besides the fact that there's a lot of ways to solve this problem? What did you get? Why don't you turn and talk with your neighbors? Turn and talk for the next 30 seconds. Turn and talk. Turn and talk about what you got out of this. We're going to go to lunch tonight. 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
Oh god.
I got half of this one.
You guys do have to subtract. Is it like an emergency? This is your second time. I know. When I want you to talk, you're just like, oh, I don't want to talk. I'm Okay, so does anybody have anything? Does anybody have anything that they came to like a revelation during your discussion? Melanie, share. No, you had your hand up. Let's go. Come on. While I'm still young, come on, Melanie. I think I got a gray hair waiting. Let's go. Don't even go there. Don't even go there. For reference, Miss Brinson told me my gray hair looks like tinsel, in case you guys are curious. So that's why I said that. So can you tell us one more?
You just saw that when it went away.
I am not 60. I was not born in the 1950s. Keisha.
It has infinite solutions.
Has infinite solutions? So 90 is equal to 90? That's okay. I don't know if that's quite... Do you mean it has like infinite ways to solve?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Alrighty, so now, once I erase this board, you guys are going to take the 5 minutes before lunch, and you're going to answer the question, what did you learn and notice from this? So basically what you just talked about.
What did she say?
Can you repeat yourself?
It has infinite, you can solve it.
Hold on, Miss Riley. Look at that picture you showed us when you were 16, right?
Yeah.
So
I don't know
now
if she
you
said
gotta be
it's not
Infinite amount
solutions, it's
of
solving.
ways to solve it.
It's not important.
Yes.
So what we are going to do is we are going to learn, you're going to write me 4 sentences about what did you learn and what did you notice. I even gave you some sentence stems. So on the back of your paper, on the back, I want you guys to write me 4 sentences about what you learned.
Wait, write you what?
Answer that question. You know what? And an ACEs. Thank you. You know, we haven't done an ACEs paragraph in like a week.
That was Zoe.
Get out.
You guys need to do it between now and lunch. You guys are going to do an ACEs paragraph. We did it last
We have
week.
a quote, so aces will.
Yes, you do. The quote is the what you guys wrote and what your peers said. There you go.
That was Miss Carlton.
Nah, I love ACEs.
Just.
Nope, ACEs. For the next 5 minutes, I need an ACEs paragraph. You can quote your classmates.
We'll do this in that one.
See, but guess what? You got to do it in math too, because you're going to have to write paragraphs in algebra.
Why is this spread around?
I'll explain that once you guys write. Here's the thing, though. You guys could have already had your answer to the problem written. And you could have been on your way to cite. Okay? So, ACEs paragraph. Between now and lunch. Thank you. Yeah, in this lesson, what did I learn? That can be your answer.
This was the lesson.
No, we have another review after lunch on angles, because we tried to solve the vertical angles the other day, and that wasn't great. So let's make sure we have stuff